after walking, just take rest. Good. After walk. Hello, Russell Roger. How about I asked last time? My birthday is coming. This Saturday, May 4. Hi, shall we to 16 viewers. Hello. Shout out. Hello, Joker. Hello. Long time I'm back on live because I was so busy on my other platform because of my YouTube is not earning, so I am busy with the other platform. So just say an update for now here for you guys. Hello to my 23 viewers. Just finished my later. Just finished my walk. You can see. Hello. Shout out to Kumar Gurung and hello to my 71 viewers.
Ay, pagluto, te!
Hi, hello to Alpha Jenkins King Salute. Make love, shout out, thumbs up, thank you, and also please subscribe. Hello to Shamsrida. I'm fine. Hello to my 71 viewers. Good evening. Oh, shout out everyone. Hello Joey. It's nice to be back after about 4 days, 5 days, because I'm busy with my Bigo Live. I'm just doing my Bigo Live in the other platforms. Hi. Hello, nice to see you too. Thank you for coming. Hello Rafa Abhes. Thank you also for watching on my other channel, Joey. Thank you for the support. I hope you always watch. You're welcome. Thank you, Joey. This coming Saturday is my birthday, May 4 +1. Owen Mactor, you cute Mary. Of course, yes. You always watch and watch on my upload videos on the other, those Naomi. So guys, please subscribe my Naomi's channel, Naomi's vlog. May 4. No, because my 100k is now what you call now not yet in 100k subscriber, and also my channel is demonetized. That's why I don't have any I think I have only a little celebration my birthday because I don't earn more. Hello. You're getting close, but no, it's getting closer than my subscriber is still 98. Last time 1000 subscribers says I can get it for about 3 days, but now it's almost 1 month. So please invite your friends to subscribe also. Hello to my 53 viewers. Hi, shout out. I have shoes. I go for running. Okay, I'm almost there, but I don't have any. Oh my God.